This is an international English language testing system which is taken place at English Achievers. The candidate name is Billal Mia. Candidate number EA4578. The examiner is Jenifa Nasrin Jeny. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
May I know your full name, please?
My full name is Billal. You may simply address me as a Bill.
Can I see your identification, please?
Here you can go, ma'am.
All right. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Brahmanbaria, which is my home district, beside Kumilla and Hobbiganj district.
Do you work or are you a student?
Actually, I'm a student. I'm studying in MSc program at one of reputed University of Bangladesh.
There are 3 parts in the speaking test. In the first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions of yourself. Let's talk about birthday. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st June. I usually celebrate it in a simple way with my family members and close friends.
Okay. Do you arrange a party on your birthday?
I don't really arrange a big party, but I like to celebrate in a meaningful way with my family members, and I invite them at my house, gathering in a small place.
Do you receive a lot of gifts on your birthday?
Not really. I do receive some gifts as a meaningful things, such as I like that it's not about the quantity of them. I believe that even small things also give me a lot. So last year, one of my friends gave me a handmade photo frame, which was so fantastic, and it was so personal and meaningful.
Let's talk about clothing. How important are clothes and fashion to you?
To be honest, fashion is not important to me. I prefer usually simple clothes and which are comfortable rather than following trend.
Okay. What kind of clothes do you like wearing?
Actually, I prefer classical style and simple clothes rather than Western culture. Those kind of clothes are wear overlay patterns as well as bright color. Those kind of things actually I do not like.
What clothes do you wear to special occasions?
It's depend on event and occasion. When I need to go to my presentation, that time I would like to wear suits and blazer. And on the other hand, if I talk about the when I need to go event like wedding ceremony, that time I prefer white shirt and black pant and the polished shoe.
Let's talk about cooking. Do you like cooking?
Not really, but I like to eat more rather than cooking because I found eating is so satisfying for me.
Okay. What dishes do you enjoy cooking?
If I talk about dishes, there are a number of dishes have in my favorite list, but I would like to say biryani is most interesting and one of my favorite top list dish.
Okay. Do you enjoy cooking more or eating?
Previously, I mentioned that I enjoy eating rather than cooking because I'm not a good well in cooking, as well as I found it is not time consuming. That's why I do not like to cook.
Who does the cooking in your family?
Usually in my family, most of the time my mother cook. Nowadays, my sister also give a hand to her to helping the other making dishes. So I think it is quite interesting to take my homemade food from my mother.
Now I'm going to give you a topic and I would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Sure.
Okay. Here is a piece of paper and pencil, and here is your topic. This topic is describe something that surprised you and made you happy. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Well, during my life, I made a lot of memories which made me happy. Today, I would like to talk about one of them. One of my most enjoyable memory moment was when my admission result was published. I found it and I had been selected for admission. Yes, this happened uh, during 5 years ago, right after I had completed my SSC examination. Yes, so that at that time I was so nervous because I was not able to find out my result. Because before that, one of my friends called me and asked what about my result. That time I did he replied him, I did not find out my result due to the problem of website at university. Yes, he told me, gave me some instruction how to find out my result. Yes, then after that, I find out my result, when I saw my result, I was over the moon, and I was so excited about it, and because it was one of the most important and memorable moment for me. I, after that, I share my after that I share all of things with my mothers, and she appreciated me, and elder brother gave me a phone as a gift because I was selected at the university. Yes, the university selection was one of my most important factor for me. It started my new journey to improve my to build up my career. So I think it is one of my enjoyable moment for me when I hear this news. Yes, I remember this situation. I was surprised and feel that it definitely would be improve my career and build up new learning things.
Thank you, sir. Let's move on part 3. What do you think makes someone happy?
I believe it's depend on person preference and their choice and as well as their circumstance. Some people believe that if they earn a lot of money, they will be happy in their life, and others people claim that if they get better career and going achieve their goals, they will be happy in their life. So, in my opinion, it's depend on their factors, what kind of things actually they want, and what kind of things actually they believe in themselves, and what kind of fact believeness they will be happy.
Okay. Is happiness important?
Yes, definitely, happiness is important. Without happy people are not able to say they are success in their life. Yes, happiness is related to our physical things. Who people are happy, definitely they will be more healthier compared to the unhappy peoples. I think happiness is important for us.
Okay. Do you think people living earlier were happier than people living now?
Yes, if I talk about in the modern era, most of the people are engaged in the social media, and they would like to spend a lot of time in like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, because they're happy with the social media, spending time and try to connect with their other friends, family members through this social media. And on the other hand, I would like to say that in earlier stage, people they were simple life they belong in the at the time. This they At the time they believe that if they have basic needs, they will be happy. If I talk about the modern era, definitely it is changed during the time.
Okay. Can a family party or get together make someone happy?
Yes, definitely. Family is a create a lot of opportunity to become happy. Like when family is when in special occasions such as wedding ceremony. At that time, the people usually invited their relatives, friends, as well as family members. All of people together in a small place and discussing different topic, what kind of things they achieved in their life, and what kind of things actually make happy them. So I think it is a great opportunity to sharing our surnames as well as sharing our experience how to become a success in our life. So I think it is important for us.
What should someone do when they are upset?
Yes, first of all, when we saw when people are upset in their life, I would like to say that first of all, I try to connect with him. What is the main factor he feel upset? Yes, after that, I would like to say that some people are counseling to remove their soreness, and maybe it's a dependent person burdens, like some of people's, like they have no money in their life, they are not capable to fulfill their basic needs. I think you need to provide some money to bring out about this problem.
Okay, thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test.